Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you will find, and I welcome you to the science class for class 6th. And today we are going to learn the remaining thing that we left in the previous class. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the reversible change. What are reversible change? Okay, so reversible change are actually the temporary change, okay, which we learned in the previous class. Okay, temporary change. So just like if you are taking a rubber, okay, and okay, if there is a rubber, and when you will pull it, okay, when you will pull it, okay, from both side, okay, it will be stretched, okay, and you will, when you will remove your hand, you will stop pulling, it will come again to its original position. Okay, yes, so this is temporary change, and all these temporary changes are reversible change. So just see the example definition. So reversible change is a change which can be reversed on removing the cause is called the reversible change. Okay, yes, just like when you stretch it, okay, when you stretch it, जब इसको हम लोगों ने स्ट्रेच किया एक ये रबर को, तो ये क्या हुआ, स्ट्रेच हो गया ना, बड़ा हो गया. ओके, सो यहाँ पे कॉज क्या है बड़ा होने के लिए, जो भी हम लोग इसको स्ट्रेच कर रहे हैं, खींच रहे हैं इसको, ठीक है, जब ये खींचना हम लोग बंद कर देंगे तो ये क्या होगा, फिर से अपने ओरिजिनल पोजीशन पे, अब ओरिजिनल रबर पे आ जाएगा, है ना. टेक एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस आइस क्यूब. ओके, सो आइस क्यूब it can be reversed. Okay, yes, so if there is a water, if you have a glass of water, when you will put it in the freezer, okay, जब आप इसको freezer में रख देंगे, so what will happen, this water will become ice cube. Okay, ice. Okay, yes, and when you will remove back, so this water become ice, and when you will bring back, when you will keep outside of the fridge, it will again become water. From ice to it will become water. Okay, so what is happening, it can be reversed. Okay, it can be reversed by removing the cause. So here cause was refrigerator. Okay, yes. Okay, then next example is like magnetization of metal, iron. Okay, so this is a magnet and this is the iron. Okay, so when you rub this magnet on this iron bar, so this iron bar become magnet. Okay, बट व्हेन यू हैमर इट, ओके, जब आप इस पे किसी चीज़ भारी चीज़ से इस पे हैमर करते हैं, सो जो इसकी मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी है, इट गोज ऑफ. ओके, सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, दिस आयरन इज बिकमिंग magnet. Okay, and when you hammer it, it again, this magnet become iron. Okay, so we are reversing it, we can reverse it. Okay, yes, and that is why we will call as a reversible change. Okay, the next is the change in color of the bulb. Okay, so initially when you have a switch off the button, जब आपने इस बटन को स्विच ऑफ किया, देन योर बल्ब विल बी लाइक दिस. ओके, इट विल बी नॉट ग्लोइंग, बट व्हेन यू विल स्विच ऑन, जैसे आप स्विच ऑन करेंगे, द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, द करंट विल फ्लो through this filament and it will glow. Okay, and it's there will be some kind of change. Okay, yes, its temperature will be different, its color will be different. Okay, but when we again switch off, this bulb will again come to its original position, original light. Okay, so this is turning into this, and again this is turning into this. Okay, so this is, we can say that these are the reversible change. Okay, yes. The next is irreversible. So uska opposite, irreversible is the opposite of reversible. Okay, yes, so you can see the definition, that definition is saying that a change which cannot be reversed even after removing the cause is called the irreversible change. Okay, yes, so just take the example of example of this burning paper. Okay, yes, so when you burn this paper, so paper changes into ashes. This black is called ash. Okay, ASHE. Okay, yes, ashes. Okay, yes, so this paper is changing into ashes. Okay, so this ashes, this black thing, is cannot be converted into again into paper. Okay, and this kind of change will be called as a irreversible change, means we cannot reverse it. Okay, yes. Similarly, the milk can be converted into curd, but this curd cannot be converted into milk, so this will be called as a irreversible change. Okay, yes. The firecrackers, when we burn they burn. Okay, and then when they burn, we cannot bring them back and we cannot fire them. Okay, yes. So this is also a irreversible change. Okay, yes. When we light the candle, okay, when we light the candle, its wax burn. Okay, yes, its wax burn and its size keep on decreasing, उसकी जो साइज है वो छोटी हो जाती है. सो ये छोटी कैंडल से हम लोग फिर से बड़ी कैंडल नहीं बना सकते, एंड दैट इज वाई इट इज़ अ इरिवर्सिबल चेंज, वी कैन नॉट ब्रिंग इट बैक. ओके, यस. So these were only the things. The next is so we can group. Suppose we have some material. Okay, we have some things. Okay, so we can group, we can divide these things into two groups. One, those which can be reverse. Okay, in which जिसमें कुछ चेंज लाके वापस से उसको वापस उसके पोजीशन में ला सकते हैं, और कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें जिसमें कुछ चेंज होने के बाद वो उसके ओरिजिनल पोजीशन में नहीं आ सकती हैं. ओके, सो द थिंग्स कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू रिवर्सिबल एंड इरिवर्सिबल. ओके, यस. Like sawing of a piece of wood. What do you mean of sawing of a piece of wood? Suppose ये कोई लकड़ी का टुकड़ा है. Okay, and you are cutting it. Okay, you are cutting it. So when you will cut it, okay, when you will cut it, you cannot make it like original one. आप उसको पहले जैसा नहीं बना सकते हैं. कि इसको अगर ज्वाइन भी करते हैं तो बीच में एक ज्वाइंट आ जाएगा, कैसे भी ज्वाइन करें वो पहले जैसा उसमें नहीं हो पाएगा. ओके, यस, एंड दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज अ reversible? No, not reversible. Okay, cannot be reversed. Then melting of ice. So if there is a ice cube and if it is melting, अगर मेल्ट होके पानी जो बन गया है, वाटर बन गया है, उस अगर वाटर को फिर से हम लोग फ्रिज में रख देंगे तो फिर से वो पानी से आइस क्यूब बन जाएगा. ओके, सो यस, दिस इज द रिवर्सिबल चेंज. यस. Then dissolving sugar in water. Okay, so you have a glass of water and you have dissolved some sugar. Okay, so इसमें जब sugar dissolve कर लेंगे तो दोनों mix हो जाएगा. Okay, yes, so we can separate it. Okay, we can bring back the this sugar again. Okay, what we will do, we will just heat it. Okay, जब इसको heat करेंगे तो जो water है, और ये जो अगर वाटर है इसको अगर हम ऐसे ढक के इसको ऐसे पास करके इसको कंडेंस करेंगे तो ये वाटर यहाँ पे कलेक्ट हो जाएगा, और इसमें जो बचेगा जब वाटर इवापरेट हो जाएगा, हाँ, भाप बन के जो पानी है वो निकल जाएगा, तो जो नीचे बचेगा वो हमको क्या मिलेगा? शुगर. ओके, यस. सो हम लोग जो वाटर है उसको अलग कर सकते हैं और शुगर है उसको अलग कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द यस, इट कैन बी रिवर्स. देन कुकिंग ऑफ फूड. सो थिंक ऑफ इट. ओके, सपोज यू हैव अ राइस and you have cooked the rice. Okay, so after cooking we cannot make the original rice. Okay, so this is the non irreversible. Okay, yes. Then ripening of mango. So after ripening we cannot make it raw. Okay, yes. आम के पकने के बाद उसको हम लोग कच्चा फिर से नहीं कर सकते है ना. yes, so this is the irreversible. Then souring of milk. After conversion of milk into curd, we cannot bring this curd into as a milk. Okay, so this is also a irreversible change. Okay, yes. So that's all for this was only the remaining thing. Okay, and here we finish this chapter. Okay, yes. So you have some question, try to answer them. What is reversible change? What is irreversible change? Then write 3 example of reversible change. Okay, and write 3 examples of reversible and 3 examples of irreversible change. Okay, yes. So you can yes, just answer it. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please ask. Thank you so much. If okay, so stay fit, stay healthy and keep on studying.